Okay, pause. Because this one right here, this is exactly what I've been talking about. So the news just reported that an AI app deleted data and not like a few files. We're talking about years and years of data gone. Vamoosh. It reminds me of something my daughter says frequently, my 5-year-old.
I told you.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And I need everyone to really hear me when I say this. AI is powerful, but AI should not be unsupervised. Please. Please. I said this before in my videos, and I've literally just said this in my episode 9 that just dropped of the Balance HI podcast on AI in healthcare. Go listen, because this is real life now. AI is that bestie. You know, you locked in. You love her. She's fast. She's smart. She get things done. But you still gotta watch her. Because the moment you stop validating, the moment you stop checking, that's when things go left. And this whole AI is taking jobs narrative, I'm over it. Let's correct that real quick. AI is not replacing you or me. AI is elevating you. Your job is no longer just doing the work. It's validating the work, auditing the work, making sure the system didn't just delete years and years and years of somebody's data. Because when things go wrong, they're not calling the AI. They're calling you. So no, don't be scared. Get smarter, get sharper, get involved. And remember, AI might be the bestie, but even besties need supervision.